Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use miracle bricks. First, let's prepare. You'll need your miracle bricks, a clean mixing container, and fresh water. Make sure your workspace is tidy and protected, perhaps with a drop cloth. Always take a moment to review the product's instructions for the best results and to understand any safety precautions. This initial step is crucial for a smooth and successful project. Now, let's get to mixing. Begin by pouring the specified amount of water into your container. Then, slowly add the miracle brick powder, stirring constantly to prevent clumps. Aim for a smooth, uniform consistency, similar to a thick batter. Once mixed, let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period is important as it allows the ingredients to fully hydrate and activate, ensuring optimal performance for your project. With your mixture ready, it's time for application. Use a trowel or spatula to spread the miracle brick mixture evenly onto your surface. It's best to work in smaller sections, which helps you manage the material before it begins to set. If you're aiming for a specific look, now is the time to use molds or texturing tools. Try to maintain a consistent thickness, usually between 1/8 and 1/4 of an inch for the best finish. Finally, let's talk about curing and finishing. Your miracle bricks need to cure fully, which usually takes between 24 and 48 hours, depending on humidity. During this time, protect the surface from water and direct sun. Once completely dry, you have the option to sand it smooth, paint it any color, or apply a sealant for added durability. Remember to clean all your tools with water right away before the mixture sets hard.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.